What's up everyone, this is Viraj Morje and welcome to my channel once again. So in this video I'm going to do a review on Moyu RS3M 2020 edition. Unlike the year 2020, this cube is actually pretty good. So let's get right into it.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Alright, so in this box we get the cube, the Moyu stand and also the accessories box as you can see here. So let's open it up. So as you can see we get some accessories here. Let's see. Well, this is the introduction to Moyu company, how they progress and all, the instruction manual. Oh, there are the Team Moyus. See that? Drew Brad. See, right here, Drew Brad. I'm a big fan of his. Anyway, we get some more instructions, how to solve the cube. So far so good with some beginner algorithms. Okay, again with the Team Moyu. Hello Drew Brad. Also, we get some Moyu. Wait, Team Moyu's one of their players' autograph card and a photo, and some of their QR codes of the Moyu brand. Okay, so we can get some more tutorials, more puzzles from their websites by scanning the QR code to their Facebook page and the website to buy some more cubes. And we get another instruction. Yeah, it's another instruction of the dual adjustment spring system, the Moyu screwdriver, and the Moyu's cube stand. Yeah, there is a Moyu cube stand, guys. If you don't know anything about it, just search it on Google. You'll find it. So we also get the Moyu screwdriver, which is pretty convenient, and we got the dual adjustment system tool. Well, and a dual adjustment system part, which is a replacement if one of them is lost or anything, or one of them gets broken inside this cube. You can replace it with this one. So as you can see, it's pretty nice. Now let's get into. Okay, so turning of this cube is pretty smooth. Not only that, it's very stable in using the M slices, M moves, U permutation and other move sequences when you're using F12, OLL, PLL, or creating a cross or practicing it. But what I like about this is this being under a budget cube, this is actually a pretty good magnetic cube. Yeah, you heard it guys, this is the magnetic cube. Well, it's a budget magnetic cube. Well, I bought it on Amazon. Well, I'm not getting sponsored or paid by Amazon or Moyu or anything. It's just that I like the product. Well, under the budget you can get this cube very easily, and not only that, being a budget cube, it's actually pretty good for beginners as well as advanced speed cubers. Yeah, you heard it right. It's very good actually. Its magnets are not that strong or not that weak. It's just that it has some weak magnet strength and some strong magnet strength, like a medium type magnet strength. Yeah. Being on a budget cube, it's actually pretty good for decent practicing, speed solving, and in also using in competitions it's allowed. So anyone who is entering in the speed cubing competition, well, this cube is allowed actually, so you can have it. Well, what I like about this cube is that being under budget magnetic cube, it's actually pretty decent. Not only that, you also get the Moyu adjustment spring adjustment system, as you can see here. See, this is it. And for that, and not only that, you can adjust the spring compression. As you can see right now, it's in the medium setting, so I'm going to use it right now. So I'm going to, okay, just one flick is enough for me. What I notice about this cube is that you don't need that spring adjustment tool for it. You can use your fingernails to turn the spring adjustment system. See, you can use your fingernails. See, you can use your fingernails. Wow, that's pretty convenient. As you may notice, this cube has a matte finish on it instead of glossy. If you're thinking why it's so shiny, because it's the lubricant, guys. I actually lubed it. It didn't came factory lube actually. Well, Moyu doesn't provide a factory lube inside Moyu RS3M, but this cube doesn't come under factory lube and all. So I have to lube it with my lubricant that I shown you in the last video. That was the Mofang Shi lube. And thinking about this cube, well, actually it's pretty decent for practicing and all, but the only issue I had with this is that the magnets are pretty medium strength, but I don't know if you can change it or not. But doesn't come with the changeable magnets with it. And not only that, you can actually see I'm kind of like this cube, but the only problem is that it's a little bit smaller in the hands of someone who's actually pretty good at big cubes and solving it, like the GAN 356X and all. And if you're thinking about buying this cube, well, I would recommend it you to buy it, because not only you get a budget magnetic cube, but also you get the Moyu adjustment spring system, which is pretty damn good. If you're buying a budget magnetic cube, I would recommend you to buy this one, because this cube has a Moyu spring adjustment system, which is pretty good and decent for a budget magnetic cube. So if you're looking for other budget magnetic cubes like the Yushin Kailen V2 or the Shi Thunderclap, if you want to go for it, you can go for it. Well, if you want that spring adjustment system to adjust your cube, to modify it like a specific tuning or something like that, well, you can buy this cube. What I noticed about this cube is that while you adjust the spring system, you don't need the screwdriver to tighten or loosen the spring control, because it's controlled by the spring adjustment system. So being under budget, it's pretty nice, pretty decent. Not only that, well, it's actually pretty good for speed solving, and not only that, it's pretty good at using the algorithms and all, practicing for competitions. Yeah guys, it's allowed in competition, so I would recommend you to buy it. So anyway, that's the review of the Moyu RS3M. I hope you enjoy it. But anyway, if you're thinking about buying a budget cube, I would recommend you this one. Not only you get the budget magnetic cube, but also you get the spring adjustment system with it. So that's why I'm recommending you to buy it. So anyways, if you wanna spend your money on more expensive cube like the GAN 356X, GAN 354, GAN RSM, you can spend money on it, a lot of money actually. They are expensive, so you can spend money on it. But if you want to buy the magnetic cube with under budget, not too much expensive, but actually pretty decent and pretty good, well, I would recommend you to buy this one. Yeah, I would recommend you to buy this cube. So anyways, what do you think about this cube? Let me know in the comment section below. So anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I hope I will see you next time. So if you want to have a tutorial how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube using a beginner's method, I'll make a video on that later. For now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.